How to buy crypto on Sezzle. Open the Sezzle app or website and log in to your account. Go to the shop section from the homepage. Type crypto in the search bar and press enter. Look through the listed stores related to crypto or digital assets. Select a store that offers crypto-related products or services. Click on the store name to visit its online page through Sezzle. Choose the crypto gift card or service you want to buy. Add the selected item to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout after reviewing your cart. Select Sezzle as your payment method at checkout. Log into your Sezzle account if asked again for confirmation. Review the total payment amount and installment plan details. Confirm your purchase and complete the transaction. Wait for the confirmation email or message from the store and Sezzle about your order. Thank you for watching.